The iCUE settings panel is where you'll find global device brightness, device memory, firmware, and other advanced settings. The device settings panel allows you to change things such as the polling rate of your mouse or keyboard, set global LED brightness, manage device profile storage, apply firmware updates, and manage overcurrent protection settings for iCUE-compatible power supplies. The iCUE settings panel is where you'll find the language, temperature, startup behavior, debug info, on-screen display settings, dashboard customizations, and sensor logging parameters. The OSD tab in the iCUE settings panel allows you to enable and customize iCUE's built-in on-screen display overlay. The OSD can show things such as profile names whenever you switch to a new profile, active action layers of that profile, active timer cooldowns, and equalizer presets. To enable an overlay, simply select the overlay type in the drop-down and check the box to enable it. You can change the location of the overlay by clicking and dragging the preview on screen. There are also options to change fonts, colors, and duration of the overlay notification. Once you've set up the OSD, you'll be able to see iCUE information in-game instead of having to Alt-Tab between programs. The Sensor Logging tab gives you options to save temperatures, fan and pump RPM, and CPU and GPU activity to a file on your hard drive. You can change the location of where the log is saved, as well as set a logging interval. Sensor logging is really handy if you're running a stress test over a longer period, since you can easily open the log in a spreadsheet program, such as Excel, for review. And that's it. For more information about iCUE, check out our other tutorial videos or visit our website at www.corsair.com/iCUE. Thanks for watching.